Hello friends. Welcome back to Nutrizon. Shape it up. Yoga is a systematic practice of physical exercise, breath control, relaxation, diet control, positive thinking and meditation aimed at developing harmony in the body, mind, and environment. On Nutrizon we will be covering beginner to advanced yoga practices. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you get notification whenever we post a new video. Well, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video now. Let's talk about Uttana Shishosana, which is also known as extended puppy pose. Puppy pose, or Uttana Shishosana in Sanskrit, is a deep backbend that allows you to open up the chest and heart chakra and stretch all those areas that affect your posture. Level: beginners. Style: Vinyasa yoga. Duration: 30 seconds. Repetitions: once every day. Strengthens arms, hips. Stretches the upper back, spine, shoulders. Benefits: it helps in stretching your spine and shoulders. It also helps in fortifying the body. Your spine becomes flexible and strengthened. The symptoms of stress, tension, and insomnia almost disappear. Your hips, upper back, and arms get strengthened and stretched. Your mind attains a level of much-needed calm with its regular practice. Now let's see how to perform.
Get on your hands and your knees with your knees hip-width apart. Walk your hands a few inches forward and spread out your fingers. Tuck your toes under and push your hips halfway back towards your heels. Lower your forehead to the floor and pull your shoulders away from your ears. Breathe deeply here.
Precautions. Gain some flexibility in the shoulders and arms before getting into Uttana Shishosana, as the stiffness in these regions might worsen the condition. Do not practice Uttana Shishosana if you have an injured knee or leg. Avoid it when you are suffering from severe lower back pain. While practicing this pose, if you experience the pain in the shoulders, move your hands outwards while stretching. Skip it during pregnancy. Still have doubts? Comments below. Hope you have found our content informative. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.